In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in Epson WorkForce 110 printer. The first step is to go to the printer display panel. On this screen, click on the menu and then click on the maintenance. Select the first option, ink cartridge replacement. On this panel, click on the OK to proceed. Now take your new ink cartridges and remove it from the plastic packaging and then press OK again. And to replace the ink cartridges, open the ink chamber from the front. You will see the ink cartridges here. Press this lock and you can remove the old ink cartridge. Do it for both. Now take your new ink cartridge, place the back side first and then press it from here. So this will install it properly. Now close this section and go to the printer display panel and press OK. It is done. So it's charging the ink. On the main screen, after few minutes you will see it says replacement is done. Now we can go back to the main screen. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges properly. Thanks for watching.